There's a restaurant in San Francisco that actually wants to be poorly rated on Yelp. Hey guys, I'm Morgan Manousos for Buzz60. Vado Bistro is an Italian restaurant that couldn't be happier about its customers' negative Yelp reviews, complaining about the lack of Chinese food served there. The restaurant's war against Yelp started after Yelp's alleged practices of threatening businesses and forcing them to advertise on the site, despite a recent court ruling stating that even if Yelp does manipulate reviews, it does not constitute extortion. Co-owner David Saratini claimed that once his restaurant stopped advertising with them, the reviews turned negative, and one of their best reviews disappeared completely. So, the restaurant decided to retaliate by offering customers 25% off for giving them a 1-star review. Their page has more than 1,000 pretty ridiculous reviews. Even some out-of-towner reviewers who won't be able to use a discount have jumped on board the bad review bandwagon to protest Yelp. Some guy from Texas gave it a 1-star review because they wouldn't deliver him free ribs 1,500 miles away. The Hate Us on Yelp campaign has been so successful, they're now the worst rated restaurant on the entire site. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.